How to get rid of acne scars. Mint leaf hack 100% works. Hello guys, welcome to Skin Makeover Everything, where we discuss everything about health and beauty, skincare, fitness, and everything in between. In this video, you will learn 3 proven treatment hacks of how to use simple home ingredients such as mint leaf to get rid of different types of acne scars overnight. But before we begin, if you are new to this channel, quickly take a moment to click the red subscribe button below this video and turn on the notification bell so that you will always be notified of our latest videos when we upload them. With that being said, let's begin. Are you bothered about acne scars on your face or skin? Waking up with an acne on the face can be a pretty horrific sight. Not to mention the fact that it takes days for it to heal completely. And even then, an acne never leaves without leaving behind scars. While it is more commonly seen in people with oily skin, an acne breakout can happen to any skin type. And it can be a painful experience that leaves mark on the skin, and it causes it to become red, itchy, and inflamed. After watching this short video, your worries over the scars would be over, and you would never need to be bothered by acne scars again. However, for all that to happen, you need one major ingredient, and that is mint leaves. Do you have mint leaves at home? Mint leaves, which are used to make refreshing summer drinks, are known to keep the body cool from the inside. These can reflect well on the skin as well. Besides consuming it, you can also apply it on the face to get rid of acne and the resultant scars. The following are the 3 proven treatment hacks using mint leaf. Quickly, before we get back to the video, if you are new to this channel, I want to remind you to quickly take a moment to click the red subscribe button below this video and turn on the notification bell so that you will always be notified of our latest videos when we upload them. Also, I'll appreciate it if you click the like button and give us a thumbs up. Also, I will also appreciate it if you share this content with your family, friends, and well-wishers. That being said, let's get back to the video. 1. Peppermint and oats. It has already been established that oats are great for the skin and that they can be used to make natural scrubs. How to prepare. Collect at least 10 mint leaves. Add 1 tablespoon of oats. Then add 1 tablespoon of cucumber juice and 1 teaspoon of honey. Blend them all together so it becomes a thick and consistent paste. Add some rose water to it. Next, apply the pastes on your face, especially wherever there are pimples. Massage for at least 10 minutes in a circular motion and then allow it to dry for 20 minutes. Wash the face with water and do this thrice every week for better results. 2. Peppermint and rose water. This is relatively easy too. Rose water is known to act as a toner on almost all skin types. It can give the skin a natural glow. How to prepare. Just crush 10 mint leaves into a paste. To this paste, add 1 teaspoon of rose water and then apply and Massage gently and leave it on for 30 minutes to dry. Wash it off with cold water and do this daily until the acne has gone and the spots have disappeared. 3. Peppermint and honey. As mentioned earlier, peppermint leaves and honey make a great combination. When tried on the face, it gives the face a wonderful glowing look. How to prepare? For this last face hack, crush 10 to 15 mint leaves and add 1 teaspoon of honey into it. Mix them well and then apply the paste on the face. Massage well on the affected areas and then wash it off after 30 minutes. It is advisable that you do this every day for better results. If you enjoyed this video, show some love by clicking on the red subscribe button and the notification bell below the video. Also, give us a thumbs up by liking this video. Finally, don't forget to click the link in the description below to get our best recommended acne scars remover cream for a glowing skin. See you in the next video.